Imagine a state on the brink of a political transformation. Haryana is gearing up for a single-phase election on October 1, 2024, with results to be revealed just 3 days later. The political landscape is buzzing with activity. Major parties like BJP, Congress, JJP-ASP Alliance, and BSP-INLD Alliance are all set to battle it out for the 90 assembly seats. In a surprising twist, the BJP and JJP, who formed a coalition government in 2019, have parted ways. Manohar Lal Khattar resigned, making way for Nayab Singh Saini as the new chief minister. The JJP has now allied with the Azad Samaj Party, contesting on 70 and 20 seats respectively. Meanwhile, the INLD and BSP have also joined forces, projecting Abhay Chautala as their chief ministerial candidate. The election fever is high, with the last date for filing nominations set for September 12 and the final withdrawal date on September 16. The scrutiny of nominations will take place on September 13. The Chief Election Commissioner and his team have reviewed the poll preparedness, ensuring free, fair, and inclusive elections. They met with representatives from various political parties to address their concerns. For the first time, Haryana will offer home voting for senior citizens over 85 and persons with disabilities. This initiative aims to make the voting process more accessible and inclusive. In the 2019 elections, BJP won 40 seats, Congress secured 31, and JJP got 10. The BJP formed a coalition government with JJP, but this year, the dynamics have changed dramatically. BSP has already announced its first list of candidates, fielding Darshan Lal Khader from Jagadri, Dipal Singh Rana from Assam, Harbalaz Singh from Naranga, and Thakur Uttalal from Atalai. As the state prepares for this crucial election, all eyes are on October 1. Will Haryana witness a political upheaval or a continuation of the status quo? Stay tuned to find out.